Ano nga ba yung polynomials? Para maging polynomial yung isang equation, dapat wala siyang square root sa variables. For example, yan, square root of x. So, hindi yan pwede. Another, dapat walang fraction or negative na powers sa variables. For example, yan, x raised to 1/2 or x raised to negative 2. So, yan ay hindi rin pwede. At dapat wala ring variable sa denominators. For example, yan, 1 over x. Yung denominator niya ay x, so hindi pwede. Ano nga ba pinagkaiba ng polynomial sa non-polynomial? For example, yan, 2x raised to 2 plus 2x plus 4. So, polynomial ba yan o non-polynomial? So, that is polynomial. Bakit? Kasi wala namang variables sa square root na naka-square root, wala namang negative na exponent, wala namang fraction na exponent, wala namang denominator. How about x plus 2 over x? So, that is non-polynomial. Bakit? Kasi nasa denominator yung isang variable. Yan, square root of x plus 3. Sabi ko nga, bawal yung naka-square root na variable. 5x. Diba that is polynomial kasi wala naman siyang nilabag sa mga yun. 11, polynomial din yan. 5x raised to negative 2 plus 3x plus 2. So that is non-polynomial kasi negative yung isang exponent. If 2x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 1/2 plus 6. So dahil may fraction na exponent, that is non-polynomial. X plus square root of 3, that is polynomial. Bakit? Kasi wala namang variable sa loob ng radical sign. So 3 naman yun, hindi naman yun variable. So that is a polynomial. Ito, 2x raised to 3 plus x raised to 2 minus 5x raised to 2. So ito ay isang polynomial. Yan mga yan, yung 2x plus 2x raised to 3, x square, 5x, tapos 2, yan yung mga terms. Yung tinatawag nilang terms. And then itong may pinakamataas na exponent, yan yung leading term. And then yung walang variable, yun yung tinatawag na constant. Siyempre, sasali mo yung sign. Yung mga yan, coefficients, yung mga may x, yung mga may variables. And then sabi ko kanina, yung walang variable, yan yung constant o constant term. Then leading coefficient, yun yung coefficient sa leading term. Sa 2x raised to 3, yan yung leading term. Yun yung coefficient niya is yung 2. And degree, yun yung exponent ng leading term. Types of polynomials. So, monomial. Monomial, it consists of one term. So, parang yan, 3x raised to 2. Ganyan lang yan. From the word mono, which means isa lang. Binomials, so dalawa. From the word bi, dalawa. Trinomials, from the word tri, tatlo. Polynomials, kapag higit na sa tatlo yung terms, so tawag na yan, polynomials na lang yan. Degree of polynomials, linear polynomial. Yan ay kapag yung highest exponent ay 1 lang. Then quadratic polynomial, kapag highest exponent niya ay 2. Cubic polynomial, kapag 3. Quartic, kapag 4, yung highest exponent. And quintic, kapag 5. Okay, alamin natin kung ano yung mga standard form, degree, leading coefficient, at constant na mga sumusunod na polynomials. Okay, unahin natin yung 5x raised to 2 plus 3x raised to 3 plus 4x. Una, arrange muna natin sa standard form. Arrange natin mula sa pinakamataas na exponent hanggang sa pinakamababa. So dito, alin yung pinakamataas na exponent? Yun ay yung 3x raised to 3. This is 3x raised to 3. Then, susunod yung x raised to 2. So, that is, and then yung sign, huwag kakalimutan, positive. So, positive 5x raised to 2. And then, ang susunod sa 5x raised to 2, yung 4x, yun syempre, yun na yung natitira. So, plus 4x. At huwag din kakalimutan na ito ay equal to 0. Dapat merong equals 0 dyan. Equals to 0 dyan. The degree. Itong degree na to, yun yung pinakamataas na exponent dito sa polynomial. So, ano yung pinakamataas na exponent? 3. So, yung degree niya ay 3. Ang leading coefficient naman ay yung coefficient ng may pinakamataas na degree. O yung coefficient ng leading term, which is yung 3. And constant, yun yung walang kasamang variable. Palin dyan. So, wala. So, pag wala, lagay na lang natin dito, 0. Next, x squared plus 2x raised to 5 plus 1. So, arrange natin mula sa pinakamataas na exponent pababa. 2x raised to 5 plus x raised to 2 plus 1 equals to 0. So, ang degree niya, 5. Yun yung pinakamataas. And leading coefficient, that is 2. And constant, ano yung walang kasamang x? Yung 1. Next, negative 8 plus 2x plus x raised to 2. So, pinakamataas ay x raised to 2. Sinundan ng 2x. And then, negative 8 equals to 0. Ang degree niya ay yung exponent na 2. So, that is 2. Leading coefficient. So, x square yun. So, ang leading coefficient niya ay 1. And constant, yung walang kasamang x, negative 8. Then, x raised to 2 minus x minus 1. So, tayo naka-arrange na sa standard form. X raised to 2 minus x minus 1. Ilagay ka lang ng equals to 0 dyan. So, ang degree niya, yung 2, yung pinakamataas. And then, leading coefficient yung kasama ng x square, yung 1. And constant, negative 1. 5x raised to 4 plus 2x minus x plus 4. Pinakamataas na exponent, yung 5x raised to 4. Then next, kung napapansin nyo, merong dalawang term na parehong exponent. 2x tapos negative x. Kung gagawin nyo, add nyo lang sila. So, 2x plus negative x, or 2 minus 1, that is 1. So, that is x na lang matitira. So, positive x plus 4 equals to 0. So, ano yung degree niya? Siyempre, 4. Pinakamataas na exponent. And then, leading coefficient, 5. And constant ay yung 4. The maximum number of roots of the given polynomial. Okay, para mahanap lang yung maximum roots. So, una, hanapin mo lang yung may pinakamataas na exponent, which is yung 10. Ito, dito sa number 1, yung 10. So, ang maximum number of roots niya ay, of course, that is 10. Sa number 2, ano yung pinakamataas na exponent? 10. So, ang maximum number of roots ay 10. Ito na yung pinakamataas na exponent? 17. So, maximum roots ay 17. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.